What are the initial steps in creating a house floor plan? Creating a house floor plan involves several crucial steps to ensure the design meets your needs and preferences. Here are the initial steps to guide you through the process. 1. Define your needs. Identify the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, and other essential spaces based on your family size and lifestyle. Consider additional features like a home office, gym, or storage space. 2. Set a realistic budget. Determine your budget for the entire project, including construction, materials, and design. Allocate funds to different aspects of the project based on your priorities. 3. Consider the lot and orientation. Take into account the size, shape, and orientation of your lot. Think about how the position of the house can maximize natural light and outdoor space. 4. Plan for future growth. Anticipate potential changes in your family or lifestyle, and design with flexibility in mind. Consider adaptable spaces that can serve different purposes over time. 5. Explore architectural styles. Research different architectural styles and determine which ones resonate with your taste. Choose a style that complements the surrounding environment and meets your aesthetic preferences. 6. Prioritize room placement. Consider the relationship between different rooms and their functionality. Optimize the flow of spaces by strategically placing bedrooms, living areas, and the kitchen. 7. Incorporate natural light. Plan for ample natural light by considering the placement and size of windows. Maximize daylight in key living areas to create a bright and welcoming atmosphere. 8. Think about traffic flow. Design logical pathways through the home to ensure smooth traffic flow. Avoid creating bottlenecks and consider the functionality of furniture placement. 9. Consider energy efficiency. Integrate energy-efficient design elements such as proper insulation, energy-efficient windows, and sustainable materials. Prioritize environmentally friendly and cost-effective choices. 10. Research local building codes. Familiarize yourself with local building codes and zoning regulations. Ensure that your floor plan complies with these regulations to obtain necessary permits. 11. Consult with professionals. Engage with architects or designers who can provide expertise in creating a functional and aesthetically pleasing floor plan. Seek professional advice on design considerations, structural integrity, and cost estimates. 12. Sketch initial ideas. Start with rough sketches to visualize your ideas. Experiment with different layouts and configurations before finalizing your floor plan. 13. Gather inspiration. Explore magazines, websites, and real-life examples to gather inspiration. Create a mood board or scrapbook to compile design elements that resonate with you. 14. Review and revise. Regularly review your floor plan and be open to making revisions. Seek feedback from professionals, friends, or family to refine your design. 15. Stay open to adaptations. Be flexible in your approach and willing to adapt your plan as needed. Embrace changes and improvements that contribute to a better overall design. By following these initial steps, you'll lay a solid foundation for creating a personalized and well-thought-out house floor plan that aligns with your vision and lifestyle. Inspiring Homes FAQ, your go-to YouTube channel for cutting-edge content on innovative home designs, smart living solutions, and sustainable architecture. Dive into a world where AI-driven avatars guide you through the latest trends, expert advice, and inspiring stories, transforming houses into dream homes. Discover the future of living with us. #InspiringHomesFAQ #Home Design Answers.